Today, we have inaugurated the newly renovated classroom of the Ambedkar School, Hapsa. So, there is organization called Yuvani Hapsa. They recently done a like really nice spiritual concert called Abhangari Post. So, they did a really nice spiritual concert of Abhangari Post, and out of the profit they got from selling the tickets, they have recently renovated this entire classroom. So I'm glad to renovate the same, and children who are learning here are especially of the migrants and the laborers. So they are actually in need of donation from civil society and NGOs, and I think Yuvani Hubs has done good work in renovating this classroom. Thanks.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.